Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's episode of Mathematics Tutorials on Facebook. My name is Eric. Now, we're still on our revision tutorials for NOVDEC exams for 2021, core mathematics. I've got some two questions on the board which I would want us to solve, and then we see what we shall get. All right. Now, before we commence, I would want to appreciate certain individuals who are contributing actually to sharing our videos and also liking our videos. All right. They are in the personalities of Pastor Gordon Fifi Jones of Gordon Jones Ministries. We say thank you very much. Also, Charles Adai Cheneboa, also known as Pinto or alias Pinto. We say thank you very much, Charles Pinto. Also, Rahel Aye in Ghana, thank you very much for sharing and liking our videos. Evangeline Briggs, thank you very much for sharing and liking our videos. And also, Felix Aqua, thank you very much for sharing and liking our videos. Now you're welcome to the solution to these problems. All right, now the question says that we should simplify the following. And the question reads, question A says the root of 7 into brackets 3 root 7 plus 6 over root 7 bracket closes. Then B says that the square root of 5 raised to the power negative 2 times 75 raised to the power half times 12 raised to the power negative half. Now let's look at the solution to this. So let's put here quickly solution. Now, this type of questions actually comes in the, the first part of the question, normally question 1A or II thereabouts. These questions normally come. So let's look at the question. Question A, we have 3, that's the root of 7. So we have the root of 7 into brackets 3 root 7 plus 6 over the root of 7. This will be equal to, this root 7 is multiplying everything that is in the bracket. So of course, this is going to be 3 multiplying the root of 7. I don't know why root 3 keeps coming. So this is plus, this is the same as 6 root 7 all over the root of 7. So let me write my 7 very well because this is multiplying that. This is equal to 3 times, this is 7, that is plus, this is 1, so this is 6, and this is 21 plus 6, and so the answer is equal to 27. So that is the answer to the first one. All right, that is the answer to the first one. Now let's come to the second one. So let's put the second one here. We have question B that says that we have the root of 5 raised to the power negative 2 times 75 raised to the power half times that is 12 raised to the power negative half. This is what we have. Now this whole thing will be equal to, because of space, so I write the equal sign here and continue. So this is going to be 1 out of the root of 5. All right. So that this becomes what? Positive. So this becomes positive 2. All right. So this times, now what will happen here is that this is going to be 75 raised to the power half is the same as the square root of 25 times 3. So 25 times 3 will give us, we could also do it square root of 25 times 3. Yes, this is times 1 out of the root of 4 times the root of 3. All right, so that is it. So the root of 3. So that is it. And then here we shall have 1 out of root 5 times root 5. This is the same as 1 out of 5 times this is the same as 5 root 3. The root of 25 is 5 times the root of 3 is root 3. Times here we have 1 out of 2 root 3. All right. So because the square root of 4 is 2, so we shall have 2 multiplying root 3, and that gives us 2 root 3. And this will be equal to, this cancels this cancels this, and our answer is equal to 1 out of 2. And that is the answer to the second one. So the first one says that we should have the square root of 7 into bracket, or multiplying 3 root 7 plus 6 over root 7, and then that is equal to 27. And the second one says that 5 raised to the power negative 2 times 7 raised to the power half, or 1 over 2 times 12 raised to the power negative half. Now 75 raised to the power half means that the square root of 75, and the square root of 75 can be simplified as the root of 25 times the root of 3, and that leaves us with 5 root 3. And then the 12 raised to the power negative half means 1 out of 12 raised to the power positive half, which means the square root of 1 out of 12. And the square root of 1 out of 12 is the same as the square 1 over the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. And you know the square root of 12 can be simplified as the square root of 4 times the square root of 3, and that leaves us with 2 root 3. So that is 1 out of 2 root 3. That is what it gives us. And then this cancels out. And then because if 5 root 3 multiplies 1, it will be 5 root 3 over 2. So if root 3 cancels root 3, we shall still be left with 5 over 2. And if we have 5 over 2, that will give us 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 2 will give us 10. It's the same as 5 out of 10 will still give us 1 over 2. 5 into 5 is 1, and 1 and 5 into 10 is 2. So writing 5 out of 10 in the lowest term, we still get 1 out of 2. On that note, thank you very much for watching. See you next time, or see you in my next video. Bye bye. Please share the videos. Please share my videos so it can reach as many that needs it. And watch out for the next video. There are so many good things to come. See you. Bye bye.